So the question that presents itself, is white gold the new stainless steel? I see more and more people considering precious metal Daytonas over steel ones. And if it is, then how come this 116509 full-blown white gold Daytona not in the same demand level as its counterpart, and how does it really feel on the wrist? But before I give you my 3 reasons on why I decided to pick this Daytona specifically, I'd like to share with you 3 reasons on why this watch is not as hyped as the counterpart stainless steel. Is it a good buy? Let's get into it. This is an elegant watch. It has a classic design that never goes out of style. It features a gray chronograph, 18 karat white gold case, and fixed 18 karat white gold bezel as well, with a fine engraved tachymeter scale, right? So this is not the ceramic one. This is made out of the same material as the watch. This is in white gold. The dial also has small second scale and the 30-minute counter, in-counter sunk sub-dials. Of course, we all know this stuff. This is standard Daytona format, standard dial at the 3 and 9 o'clock positions. We all know that very well. This is like Daytona 101. A white gold bracelet and an oyster lock folding clasp, giving it a more even luxurious feel. This is the same one you get on the stainless steel, but on precious metal, the click is louder. But still, why isn't it in the same demand level as the stainless steel? Well, the answer is very simple. Long-term, stainless steel will always outlast white gold and even platinum in terms of wear, dents, dings, and scratches as well. The specific reference doesn't have a ceramic bezel, hence now it's in less demand than the counterpart Oyster Flex precious metal or even the full-blown platinum Daytona. I've picked this one and somehow I already managed to scratch the bezel. I can't even remember how I scratched it. And the second reason is that Rolex's white gold actually kind of sits hybrid between the opulence you would get from the rose gold or the yellow gold or even the full-blown platinum in that case, not in terms of its weight, but in terms of its look, because this is a $45,000 retail price tag, that is, watch, right? However, it could still be often overlooked because of its resemblance to the tough pre-ceramic and inexpensive stainless steel Daytona when compared to the price of white gold, right? So I think that's also another reason why people would say, I'd do the stainless steel tag for a stainless steel looking watch as opposed to the white gold that looks like stainless steel, but I'm just paying more, right? So that's not the way to go, obviously. That's the kind of the logic for why some people wouldn't consider this over a stainless steel. The third reason why this watch is not in demand as the stainless steel is that the stainless steel current retail today is $16,130. That's the updated retail price for a ceramic steel Daytona versus, once again, the $45,000 that you would pay for this white gold. We're of course talking about the current retail price tag, but then getting a stainless steel at retail is not really an option, so you're gonna go gray, and that gives me the opportunity to kind of segue into the reasons for why I would think that this is a better pick than the stainless steel counterpart. In retrospective to my last point, the difference between it and the stainless steel Panda on the secondary market is only $5,000. So this white gold could be fetched for as low as $40,000 from the gray market today. I'm technically in the minus. I paid the retail price point, the $45,000 price point, while the stainless steel Panda counterpart is going for $35,000. This is say an unworn condition one, 2022, not even 2023. You would be spending $35,000. So it's really a no-brainer to go for something like that, a full precious metal Daytona as opposed to the stainless steel. That's, in my opinion, I think this would be a better pick considering that the difference is not that much, right? The second reason why I think this 116509 is a better pick is that it could be mistaken for stainless steel. I like the fact that it looks like something that it's not. I like the fact that it could come across as a stainless steel watch. I mean, I've done the full-blown gold, yellow gold on the Vacheron, on the Day Date, and I just thought this is a really nice, cool addition to the collection. Yes, white gold bezel is prone to more scratches, however, I like the clean look. Truly elegant, classic design that never goes out of style. Not so much the case with the Panda. The third reason is a very simple reason, is that I think this is an all-rounder Daytona. This is a Daytona that could be claimed as the suit-up Daytona, the dress-up Daytona. This is officially what I'm gonna call this watch, the suit-up, dress-up Daytona. It's classic, it's elegant, it's timeless. It could definitely pass for an all-rounder, but really more on the classic side. That's what I think. And lastly, this is a personal preference. I've mentioned it on several videos before, and not just limited to this white gold Daytona, but any full precious metal from Rolex. It's the weight. You will feel it. I mean, the heft on this guy on the wrist when you put it on is ridiculous. Yeah, you would, like, if you've not worn a platinum Rolex Daytona, this would feel like a platinum made watch, right? It's that heavy on the wrist, and that's one of the reasons why I appreciate it. I really find the heft very impressive about it, and that kind of concludes my reason on why I think this Daytona, this white gold specific Daytona, could be a preference over the stainless steel. At the end of the day, this Rolex Daytona 116509 in gray or even the blue dial is a perfect timepiece to add to any collection. Timeless design, and no doubt this timepiece will look great on any wrist. Hence, I'm calling it from this day on the official suit dress up Daytona. But at the end of the day, any Rolex Daytona is a cool Daytona. The 116509 in its various dial colors, the gray, the blue, but even other references as well. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. I would like to go through them. What is your pick for a Daytona? If you had the option to pick one Daytona from the entire Daytona range, what would that selection be? I'd love to go through your comments. Do let me know. But don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.